Let's talk about the latest TECNO smartphone Camon 30 with classic zoom ring design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED display, with 6.78 inches Full HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2436 pixels, approximately 88.3% screen-to-body ratio, approximately 393 ppi pixel density, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now, talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50-megapixel wide-angle camera with support optical image stabilization, along with 2-megapixel depth camera, and with AI camera with dual LED flash. For selfies it has 50-megapixel centered punch hole on the front wide-angle camera with dual LED flash, video recording maximum 2K at 30 FPS on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of iOS 14 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.2 GHz dual-core Cortex-A76 plus 2 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by MediaTek Helio G99 Ultimate chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8GB, 12GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 8GB, 12GB of extended RAM, and 256GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, which is further expandable via dedicated microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.27 by 75.33 by 7.7, 7.82 millimeters, and the color options Iceland Basaltic Dark, a Uni-Salt White, Sahara Sand Brown colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 70-watt ultra-fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, 3.5 headphone jack, dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support, USB Type-C charging port, infrared remote control, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The TECNO CAMON 30 has been priced in Pakistan for 12GB plus 256GB storage variant at 62,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this TECNO CAMON 30 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.